So we got rid of the sideways header. Terrible idea, rookie mistake. And it still has probably some of my fingerprints on it from grabbing it. Yeah, that's skin right there, you can kind of see. Right. Anyway, don't do that. Send your pipe backwards behind you. Here I got a Robertson's torque tube. Don't have a muffler yet. Here's a header. It's got a deeper growl, I'm noticing. And we'll get a muffler on it too. Put muffler on the end of that. It'll come about right there. It's not going to get in the way of my long tail. So we got a deeper grumble, more torque. A little cold. And once I get a muffler on there, it'll be a lot better. It'll be deeper, quieter. I'll be able to adjust it. Got some smoke trying to burn off some of the paint. Hope it's not going to go all the way. Better not. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to store it for a bit. I'm just going to let it run out of fuel. This belongs on a go-kart or a mini bike. Out there. Bogging down. Let's get to shore, get to shore. All right. Sounds pretty good. I'm gonna get my adjustable muffler, which is a disc muffler, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. Okay.